So, good morning, everyone. So, today I quickly want to share with us the perfect, or let me say, the best strategy to trade boom and crash. That's even though you're a lover of trading spike or you're a lover of trading ticks. You understand? This strategy works like mad, tested and trusted. I'm just here because of the popular demand of the boom and crash. Now, the thing about this woman crowd, this strategy is that I've previously talked about this strategy in my previous video, which I called the CRC, but it's more kind of advanced now because the one I talked about then was the more or less like the reversal CRC. But luckily now we have the continuational CRT, whereby this one will enable you to know that okay, the market wants to continue on that selling, not that it wants to change to buying, or the market wants to continue buying, not like it wants to change to selling. So I call it continuational CRT, CCRT. That strategy is for me. And I think so far as I know, nobody has brought it out. So I'm not talking about CRT itself. I'm talking about CCRT, the continuational CRT. So I'm not going to talk about that. If you want the strategy for that one, you can just check the bio, join the group there, or message me on any platform. Now, without wasting much of our time, how to trade boom and crash. So at the end of this video, I'm actually going to attach that same video again to it. So you watch that video because I explained very detailed in that video. So now, one thing about this is like I'll just spot you the CRTs. I'll spot you the CRTs and you see how it works. Now, for instance, this is a CRT, more or less like if you're a lover of price action or candlestick patterns, morning star and evening star. Yeah. So now you see we have the eye. Come. We have the eye of the candle here. We have the low. Then there's the liquidity. Then after, it's going to go up. As long as, okay, let me use it here. Is this one. The eye, the low. We're using three candlestick. So you see that after that, it's what? It's bought. You understand? So let's look at that one. Look at this as well. This will be the inside bar. This is the eye, this is the low. You see that after that, after the liquidation here, it's continuing what? It's continuing selling. This works very, very crazily. Like, dude, guys, I'm not going to lie to you. Like, can you see? After liquidation, but you make sure the real body of the second candlestick ends in the price range of the first candlestick. We are actually using two candlestick to know if it's going to be a valid CRT or not. The first candlestick will just be using the high and low, as you can see. I'm just using the high and low. You can see we're using just the high and low, not the real body. But the second one, which is more like the one of Doji or Pinba, blah, 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 just make sure that the real body, the real body now, ends inside the price range of this high and low, not outside, inside, just like how it's inside now. It's not that real body will not be a bit outside. No, it's not valid. Let it finish inside. I get him. Let's do for another one. Okay, for instance, now look at this. This didn't finish inside. Look at this. Because I'm not going to lie. You see, this finished outside but still sold. But to me, I feel like it's a lock, but it's not still like tradable. You understand, guys? So when you see it, something like this, like the real body was supposed to end inside, but if it's end outside, you. I'm not in support of that. Okay, for instance, now see this as well. Ended outside, changed. Let me draw it for you guys. You can back test to see how this thing works, guys. It works like mad, it works like this. Put on your boom and crash, dudes. Put on your boom and crash. So for the continuational pattern, because this one is very, very interesting. For the continuational pattern, just check the bio, join the group link, and request for that. All right. Let's check another pair. Let's check another pair. Crash 1,000 maybe. All right. So now let's check. Okay, both because I was saying like this strategy work for both tick trade. Those of you who are trading ticks and those of you who are trading spikes. So I can spot the continuational CRT already. But I'm gonna keep my cool. Yeah, now guys, see how this thing works, guys. See the high, see the low here. It turns in the real body. Now tell me one strategy that is more efficient than this, dude. Now, but now see this. Now that's how it's going to be good. Look at this candlestick now. See this. See the high of this. See the low of this. Now you see that this one ended outside. Assume it ended inside, because I'll start selling from here. But it ended outside. So one of the things like that is very tradable is make sure that when you're trading a CRT, the second candlestick in which you're using, which is the liquidation candlestick. Because one thing about this CRT is like it's just following the price delivery of um accumulation, then manipulation, then distribution. Because the first candlestick is more or less like the consolidation, then the second candlestick is the manipulation, and the third one is the distribution, guys. That's the psychology and price delivery behind the CRT strategy of a thing. So, okay, permit us to look at the last one. The last one, and we are done. You guys can just do it to look at the videos. Now say one again, guys. The low of the first candlestick, the high of the candlestick. Now, after this, after any the reward inside here, then after the next hour of the candlestick, then you enter. No, fine, no, it's spike, boys. Enter. Then boom, you're all the way up. When you're trading this thing next time, just make sure your stop loss is here. The stop loss is around below here. So you don't get to enter when this is forming. Allow it to end finish, like the candlestick hour or minute to finish first. Then if you finish inside the price range, then you enter, you jump on the what's it called? On the next candlestick immediately. You understand? You jump on it immediately. And when you jump on it immediately, make sure you put your stop loss below the liquidation, the second candlestick. So you'll be able to know how much you're willing to risk, you understand? Then boom, all the way up. So thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe, follow for more content like this. We are coming in strong, guys.